Welcome back to my videos, guys. This is Chef Ajay, and in today's video I'm cooking another classic Indian Parsi dish. It's called chicken Dhansak. This is one of the most popular, healthy and delicious recipe. I'm going to show you how to nail it within a few minutes. The Dhansak is a hybrid recipe of Persia and India. The Persian chef gave an important gift to Indian cuisine, and this is one of them. It's simple to make, and let me show you how we cook it. Dhansak is a beautiful recipe of Persia and India. This is cooked with the lentils, with the vegetables. Dhan in Persia or Urdu means a seed, and this refers to lentils in this recipe. And the sak is a Gujarati word which means cooked vegetables. And it's a beautiful recipe, and you can nail it in within half an hour if you have all the prep ready. I'm cooking my Dhansak with a mix of lentils. You can use any lentils of your choice. I'm cooking here with the chana lentil, red lentil, urad dal that adds really a creaminess into the dish, and a moong dal. But you can use any lentils of your choice. So soak your lentils a night before you cook chicken Dhansak or lamb Dhansak. I've soaked them in 2 cups of water just a night before, and now they're soft and mushy, and they won't take long to cook. Now in a pan, add soaked lentils with the water. Into lentils I'm going to add diced potatoes, diced carrots, a diced aubergine, and diced onion. And now I'm going to add all these chopped vegetables into my lentils. Give them a nice stir, and to this I'm going to add turmeric, touch of salt, some kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves, and give it a stir, and then I'm going to cover it and cook it until everything comes together in a nice unique form. And I'll cover it, and I'm going to cook them on a gentle flame until the flavors develop and everything gets nice and mushy. It's really important that you make your own Dhansak masala like my other recipes, and it's simply best. And to make your Dhansak masala, you need coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black and green cardamons, a few cloves, cinnamon, star anise, and a few bay leaves. So gently toast them and then put them in a spice blender and make a coarse mix. So this is my Dhansak masala. Now in a hot oil, I'm going to drop a few bay leaves and red onions sliced, and I'm going to fry them on a high flame for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll put the flame low and cook them until they are translucent. So make sure that you cook your onions. It takes a wee bit longer, but that's a secret of cooking any cracking curry. You want to let the sugar caramelize in onions, and that's going to build a body and flavors into your curry. And in about a few minutes you can start noticing that the onions have started to caramelize, and this is what we want. It takes about 6 to 8 minutes depending on the thickness of your onions to nicely fry them. But it's important that you fry them, take your time, let the sugar caramelize and onions, and your curry will be just as good as mine. So once the onions get to the stage, they are nicely fried. It's taken me about 6 to 7 minutes. So fry your ginger and garlic until the raw aromas have disappeared, and you can smell that after 3 to 4 minutes. And it's really important that you make your own ginger and garlic paste. It's fairly easy. You take equal quantities of ginger and garlic and add the water into it and blitz it. You can add also oil if you want to preserve it. And at this stage I'm going to add ginger and garlic paste. This is my fresh ginger and garlic paste. And fry it on a medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes until the rawness of the ginger and garlic has disappeared. And you can also freeze your ginger and garlic paste into an ice cube tray and use it as and when required. Once the ginger and garlic are nicely fried, you can smell the aroma. It's beautiful. And at this stage, add turmeric powder and our Dhansak masala we made, and a wee bit of salt, and give it a stir. Don't cook these masalas more than 30 to 40 seconds, otherwise you run the risk of burning them, and that's going to turn your curry into a bitter curry and you won't like them. And now add your chicken into the onions. This is a diced chicken, boneless. You can use a chicken with the bones, or you can also use a lamb at this stage if you're cooking a lamb Dhansak. So I'm going to sear it. I'm going to sear it for about 3 to 4 minutes on a high flame, and then I'm going to put the flame down to medium and cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes until the chicken is nearly done. So it's been simmering away for about 3 to 4 minutes, and now I'm going to add a little bit of hot water and cover the pan and let it simmer on a gentle flame until the chicken is almost done. And now it's been cooking about 6 to 7 minutes and my chicken is ready. It's cooked, it's moist, it's soft. So my lentils are almost ready. They're nicely boiled, and with the back of ladle I'm going to mash them just to bring everything together. And now I'm going to add my lentils into my chicken. And I'll give it a stir to bring all the flavors together. Dhansak is one of my favorite recipes. I love to eat protein with lentils and vegetables. It's a complete meal, it's a whole meal for me. And at the end of it, I'm going to add tamarind. This brings the fruitiness. This is the tamarind pulp. So just 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp in it will bring the fruitiness and the sweetness into the Dhansak. And to finish the recipe, some fresh spinach. It's a really healthy recipe. I love to eat the chicken with the lentils and the vegetables, and this is one of the easiest recipes you can cook in a house, guys. And now cover it for about 3 to 4 minutes and your chicken Dhansak is ready. I love to eat Dhansak because it's a complete meal for me. It's a whole meal. There's the veggies, there are lentils and the chicken, and it's got lovely flavor. So I really love you to cook at home, and let me know how you get on. I love to hear from you guys. I love to see all the pictures you send over, and look forward to seeing you back in my next video. Enjoy your rest of the week.